Hi, this is my demo of the kwic system. So first I'm going to spin up our node server here, which is running over on port 3000 listed right there. And then we're going to spin up our backend server made with Spring. So while that's running, that's also going to generate a table in MySQL. So here are the tables that are currently listed, and then whenever I refresh it, there should be a URL table, which is the one that we're going to be working with, which is right there. We'll go ahead and get everything new in there. So there's nothing in there as of right now. So both servers are now running, and I'll go ahead and demo how the insert and the search functions work. So our path is localhost 3000, and first we'll do the insert so we have some data to look up. There we go. So now we're just going to go ahead and enter some data. So we'll say a description is going to be Google search engine, and we'll say that our URL for that is google.com. Submit that. We'll do a Yahoo search engine. We'll do Baidu search engine. And then last we'll do like a Microsoft Bing search engine. Okay, so those should all be submitted in the database. Whenever we check here, we'll run this query to get all. Those are now all inserted within our URL table that was created. So now I'll just minimize that, and we'll go to kwic/search. And most of our entries just now have the word engine in them. So I'll search for search engine, which should limit it down to, we'll just do engine just to make sure. So this should limit it down to the Google, Yahoo, and Baidu, and leave out the Microsoft, since that description didn't have the word engine in it. So here, our result, we have our Google, we have Yahoo, and then we have Baidu. So then if we go back to search and say if we want to find Microsoft, we'll search that, and it singularly finds our Microsoft description. Alright, that's it for my demo. Thank you very much.